first thing we prayed for is that we should have in our heart fear of God, reverence for God, right? Because in the end of the day, you can be the most wealthiest, educated person. If you don't fear God, you could be a Nazi. Did you know? That same country that produced Albert Einstein, the same country that was much, much more educated than America, had the most prestigious scientists and universities, created the biggest monsters. You know why? Because even if you have 2 PhDs, I once had a bar mitzvah in this kenisa, in this synagogue, and a doctor told me, he said, Rabbi, I got my PhD and I did research on the Nazis. He said most of the people in the Nazi party, not only did they have 1 PhD, they had 2 PhDs. Yet, they were able to be the biggest monsters of history, because only one thing matters. Do you fear God and know that one day, why shouldn't I be evil, you know? Because there's somebody up there that told me what's right and wrong, and I need to listen to it.